Good morning, my students in 1130 lab. I will show you today how to measure the current and voltage in electrical circuits. We will go step by step to the procedures. First of all, imagine that we have the series circuit and we want to measure the current that's flowing in the circuit. So the first step is, yes, we cut the circuit. Cut the circuit, we get the digital multimeter, connect the first lead to the milliamp, and don't forget to change the dial to milliamp measurements here. Then, yes, we connect the common wire, and in this case, the multimeter is connected in series, so the current will flow from the source to the red lead, then to the common, then to the rest of the circuit. In this case, it's connected in series in the circuit here, and the current is 10 milliamp. Yes. Now we want to measure the voltage. How we can do that? So what's the first step? Yes, we change the dial. Here the dial is milliamp. Now we change the dial here to the voltage measurement, DC voltage measurement. Now, do we connect it in series or parallel? Yes, we connected in parallel. So we connect the red lead here to the one side of the resistor and the common to the other side of the resistor. In this case, now we are measuring the voltage across the resistor R2. Because the current is 10 milliamp multiplied by 400 ohms, so the voltage is 4 volts. That's straightforward. Great. Now, let us see if we have a parallel circuit in here and we want to measure the current that's flowing in the 400 ohm resistor and in the 100 ohm resistor. So the first step, we want to measure the current here. How we can do that? Yes, we cut the circuit. Then we connect the first lead to the milliamp and the dial milliamp. We connect the first lead in here. Now the current will flow inside the multimeter, but we need the return path. Yes. So it will go out from the common to the resistor, and the current here is 10 milliamp flowing in this resistor. So what's the current flowing in here in this resistor then? The total current. If you want to find out that, we need to cut the circuit from here. Then, so when we cut the circuit, no current flowing, so there's no current here. The multimeter is not reading anything because this circuit is breaking here. Now, we get our multimeter, we connect the first lead, the second lead. Now we can see the current is 20 milliamp flowing in here. And this is it, how we measure the current. Now, how we measure the voltage? If you want to measure the voltage in this resistor here, we will get our multimeter. We connect the first lead to one side of the resistor. So we always measure across the resistor. If you want to measure the current, we cut the circuit and we connect it in series. If you want to measure the voltage, we will connect it in parallel across the resistor. Great. Now let us have another example. Let's imagine that we want to measure the voltage in here. We get the multimeter, we make sure the dial in voltage, the first lead in here, second lead in here across this resistor, and we can see that this is the voltage that we are measuring. Now I have an exercise for you. I need you to connect these two multimeters to measure the voltage across R2 and measure the current that's flowing in R4 here. You have two multimeters and you need to do that, and you upload the results in D2L as soon as you can before the next lab. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, please send email. And if you need to review all of these things, we can do a Zoom meeting. Stay safe. Have a good day. Bye-bye.